Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel, Modest Transformation by Celeste. In today's content, I'm going to go into the video showing you guys how to do a makeup for my black skin women, my tribe. I'm going to show you guys step by step how to achieve a beautiful natural looking color that can fit all different types of skin color. And for my melanin queens, we're going to get into it. First, you definitely would need something to moisturize your skin. You can use a primer or a moisturizer, but for me, I use Vaseline. That works for me, so I use this. A lot of people ask me, why do I use Vaseline? Well, I use Vaseline because it's more protective, because I have very sensitive skin. So I want to make sure that I don't have anything that's going to break my skin tone out. My skin tone, I'm talking all crazy, break my skin out. So I want to do something like this because it has the moisture. You don't need a lot of Vaseline. Also, it's good for my eyebrows. So I'm just going to let that soak in while we go ahead and do our eyebrows. So you guys have already seen me do my eyebrows, right? So we're going to go past this, and I'm going to go straight into the eyes. Okay, got the eyebrows out the way. So I'm going to use, well, I'm probably going to wait on this. I don't know, maybe I should. I'm probably going to spray some just a little bit. This is the setting spray Bene. If you guys heard of it, this is a really good light. It's minty. Setting spray is really good. We're going to start off with some colors. So if you're a beginner, you can always use neutral colors, which I always tell my followers. I always start off neutral. Don't try to go outside the box yet. We can take Top Secret. We're going to go all over the eye. That's easy for beginners. And I'm going to show you guys a trick. Okay, so you got that. We just did it all over the eye. I'm going to go ahead and do the other side as well. I'm going to go all over the eye. Alright, and then the next step, we're going to take a color. I want to do this color here, the Desire. And I'm just going to apply it here in the middle. And this eyeshadow palette is by I Envy. This is the Nude Me. So you guys haven't already, you can go on their website. And this time I'm going to just do it with my finger by itself so you guys can see the difference of applying for my brown skin girls, and they're also beginners. You can just apply like that. And it still give you the same technique whether you have a brush or no brush. You can just apply. It don't have to be fancy or professional, as long as you look nice. And see, you have all of your makeup on, basically. Just going back in with that so it can show like the other side. And that's it. So you didn't need that much eyeshadow, but I'm going to go back in. I'm going to use my brush now. And I'm going to apply it. Now, this is the trick. If you want to do like a little eyeliner, you don't have to do a wing. You can just go from here to the end of your eye. I'm going to show you guys. So that's it on that. And if you do mess up, just go back with the brush. That's it. Okay. Now, you're going to need is mascara. I use the e.l.f. mascara, and I love it. So, I'm going to apply it upward and then down. Okay. I'm going to do the same thing on this side. Applying the eyeliner. You don't need to do the dramatic eyeliner. Trust me, just do it natural and you'll be good to go. We're going to apply the mascara. And then our first thing we're going to use our Envy Lashes. The Royal Silk is number, I don't know what number it is, 4, Princess. This is how the boxing look. And we're going to do that. And it's going to look very nice. And I'm going to use my super strong adhesive glue. I'm going to apply it here around the rim. And I'm just going to apply this on. Just apply it close as possible to your eyelashes. And look how natural that looks. So you don't need to do all that heavy makeup. Use my 2-in-1 concealer Cafe. This is number 05. And you can use any type of foundation or concealer really. And I'm just going to apply here. Okay, we're going to apply there. And then we're just going to apply the lighter color here. And the first thing, once you start doing this, do not blend it in right away. Let it sit for a couple minutes. And do it like that. And while you're waiting for that to dry, just do the other side the same way. Oh, wait, we got to put on the lashes first because you don't want to mix your lashes with all that concealing stuff on your hands. Okay. And we're going to do that. And I'm going to apply this lash like towards the end. And I'm going to apply it close to the lashes so it can look very natural. And that's it. Beginner friendly makeup. Once again, you do not need all that heavy makeup. Then after this, I'm going to show you guys what color lipstick or gloss you can wear. And I just recently bought this one yesterday from Dollar Tree. It was $1. So this is their Duo LA Colors 2-in-1. So they have a lipstick at the top and lip gloss at the bottom. I think this was so cute. So I'm going to apply this color here. And you guys said you liked this color yesterday on the live. And I said, thank you, thank you. You can get it right at Dollar Tree. Or you can order offline. And you're just going to apply that on top. And it smells like bubblegum. And then we're going to apply a little concealer around our lips as well. And we're going to let that dry. Because I want our lips to look, kind of give us like the Bratz doll look. Have that passion for fashion. And add a little bit of light. And then we're going to let it dry. Alright guys, and we're going to go ahead and blend the colors in. And you see how flawless it just blended in? You didn't have to scrub. That's the wrong way to blend your colors anyway, but you just go ahead and blend it out. You see how flawless? So you don't need a lot of makeup and it looks glamorous. And see, with transformation, we're always evolving and manifesting. So we're going to always get things right. Whether we think we got it wrong or said something wrong, it's going to manifest. And always take your time blending. Please do not rush. Let the process do what it needs to do. And now I'm going to show you guys another hack. So if you have a little bit more light and you know this side is blended perfectly, all you need is put a little here. That's all you need. Don't try to put too much because you don't want your skin to be all too brown. Just put a little bit and it's going to blend right out. That's it. And you can take, and I usually do this. And look, I just use that little spray. And usually be covered, but it's not. So I'm going to spray it once again, so once I wear my mask. I'm sorry guys if I do that face because it have a mint smell to it. And I just usually just jump. So we're going to do that. We can also add some gold eyeliner if you want to do that, we can. Now this is optional, so once we spray, that was it. But this is optional here. So you can use eyeliner to your liking. You can use different colors. I'm going to do gold because that's usually my favorite colors. The more neutral warm. I just did a little bit. I'm not trying to overdo it. And I know they do setting powder and everything but this time I'm not. I'm just gonna let it be, because I already sprayed that little setting spray, and I'm just going to just dab, just go back over and dab some more, a little, and that's it, you guys. And I'm gonna show you guys the final look. Okay, beauties, this is the final look, and it looks very natural and for everyday makeup, and for my melanin queens looks really good, and it looks good. So if you guys haven't already, don't forget to please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. And always stay positive, and never let anyone discourage you. Don't even feel discouraged when things don't fall in particular hands. Things will move in the right direction for you. And I want to say to my transformation family, thank you guys so much for all the love. I had a really good time with you guys for the last 2 days doing live. So can't wait to do it again tonight. And I will see you guys later. And you guys have a wonderful day. Bye. And there you have it, where you can create a natural glowing makeup look that enhance your beauty, skin tone. So I am so excited about this video because it shows the under skin tones of Melanin Queen. It is very simple and effortless routine for beginners. So I just want to say thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more beauty tips and tutorials and tricks. And let's get these views up on the Cardi B inspired makeup tutorial and Mod Wives. And I will see you guys in my next video. Love and light. See you guys.